Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're starting with the essentials. Connect your controller to the PC via USB or pair over Bluetooth and make sure Windows shows it under Devices. Once done, install any missing drivers and enable Steam input if you launch FIFA 25 through Steam, because that layer maps buttons reliably. Make sure FIFA is closed before you change input options. Launching with the wrong active device can lock controls to keyboard. This step prevents conflicts and prepares the game to accept the controller immediately. Now open FIFA 25 and go straight to Settings, then Controls or Controller. You'll see an Input Device option. Switch it from keyboard/mouse to controller. Choose the matching layout, Xbox or PlayStation, so on-screen prompts match your pad. After selecting, test basic moves in Training or Practice Arena. This confirms mapping and vibration. If buttons are swapped or sticks feel off, customize the mapping and tweak sensitivity to match your playstyle, because precise input calibration reduces missed tackles and bad passes. Finish by saving your controller settings and immediately testing in a quick match or skill game to verify everything responds correctly. If the controller doesn't work, disconnect and reconnect it, reinstall drivers, or toggle Steam input off and on. Those actions often restore recognition. Also make sure no background utility like DS4 Windows or remapping software is grabbing input. Close such apps. If problems persist, restart the PC and try another USB port or Bluetooth pairing. This clears.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.